we're gonna be playing Airplane Story. My screen is please. If you don't know, this game is about like a mom. What's wrong with me? Giving me ear cancer. Turbulence. Okay, I've played this game before. So there's gonna be a lost lady, and it's gonna be here. And it's gonna be look for their like luggage, like an EpiPen or something. Oh, and miaerasmus, the YouTuber, remember? He's allergic to mayo. Yeah, I've played this game before. I've played these games before. I said I've played these games before. Mia, you're gonna die. You know that? You're gonna die. Yeah, you're dead. Basically. No, wait. Oh, stupid power saving. Yeah. Them. Okay, in a bit. In a bit, we're gonna see the monster. Okay, the monster's gonna appear over here. Keep looking, bro. There's the monster. Yeah. The full origin story of this thing. I haven't played Airplane 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna try to beat 5 because I've never beaten 5 before. Will not survive. Yep, they're snakes. Okay, bathroom door is gonna open soon. So I gotta go in it. Okay, I'm gonna stop spoiling for a minute. but the reason that I get in the bathroom. Get safe in here, bro. You can survive if you find anything. C6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, everybody else did not survive. I don't know why. I just want to kill it. Wait, what? No. Okay, she left. Gotta be killing her. Yeah, shadow monster. Creature on the wing. Or are we in? Okay, I'm gonna be the only one to survive here. Oh, I don't remember all of this. Okay, what? Oh no! Okay, let's grab one. I thought they were only gonna drop it like one. She's gonna survive. J6. C6. We both 6. Oh, right. Yeah, I know. On accident. I'm gonna survive. As long as I cut the red wire. That was tragic. Luckily, I know what to do in the rest of this game. So yeah. It's locked and it needs a code. Yeah. Captain. It's locked. I see 6 you? You are here on accident, but you're not. I brought you here. All of you. I'm the only one here, buddy. Is the captain unconscious? He is. And now it is time to die. Bro, how are you gonna kill me? If you don't even wanna fight, you're not even trying to use your claws. Like brother. Okay, where's the autopilot button? We crash. Yeah, we are crashing. I realized that. Me. Autopilot. Click every button on the Thank God, bro. Heart attack. I'm scared. Dude, what do I do? Phone and call over here. Wait, how are you talking on the phone if you're not joining you? I'm busy. The monster. Okay, I'm gonna drive the plane. It's easy. Everyone. I'm the only one here. Shadow Monster is back. Are you still alive after 16? I killed all of your friends. But you There is something about you. Your energy does not let me kill you. Hey, this is peak. I'm not going anywhere with you, master. I'm the chosen one. I will come back for you. Okay, buddy. Whatever you say. See you in airplane 2. Okay, this is the normal ending. This is the chosen one ending. Alright, guys. Well, that's it for today. But I am gonna still, yeah, I am gonna make a video about airplane 2. So, yeah, guys. See you in airplane 2.